Hello, today I want to talk about the great asset package created by Quantum Theory, which allows you to easily create amazing cities for your Unity 3D game. Uh, package is named Urban Construction Pack, and you can download it with the link below in the description of this video. This package allows you to add buildings, roads, and different elements which construct the basis of your city. So let's begin. Let's add, for example, some roads. Let's see that we have like road double and we have road single, road parking, right? So I'll add some road single A, right? The thing with these packages is that they are modular, so you pretty much build it from different pieces. So what I'm going to do here is I'll add the pieces A through D, A, B, C. Sorry, I did it wrong. A, B. So let's see if that's correctly snapped. I think it is. Then I'll add C. And I'll add D2. So that's my first set of lane without the road of one lane made from four small pieces, A, B, C, and D. Now what I can do is, for these ones, I can create an empty object, road, single, x4 or something like that, where all of these are going to be there. Just sort it a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to move all that to this. Then I'll add this to my prefabs. So I'll create a folder, prefabs. Roads. Create some prefab. I'll name it road single x4, and I'll just turn this into a prefab. And here we have it. I'll add another one, and you see that this one is now linked to my prefab. Okay. So now what I'll want to do is I'll move this there. I'll snap it. Let's see that it's correctly snapped. It actually seems it is. I'll add some more. Okay. And there I have a bigger piece of road. So now what we can do is go again to our package and go to sidewalks. We see that here we have like sidewalks, large brick, sidewalk A, right? And you see that this comes with the transition with the transition from the road to the sidewalk. So let's see, let's add Sidewalk 1A. Okay, we'll snap it. Let's see if it's correctly snapped. Let's rotate this a little bit. So it looks like it may be correctly snapped. Yeah, unless we want to snap it from here. Let's see, let's do that. Okay, we snap it there. Now we add the rest of the pieces. We added A, now let's add B. I'll snap it from here. Let's add C, which I'm going to snap also from there. And let's add D. Okay. And we see that here we have those. Okay. So for those, I'll also move them to a game object. Let's see, Sidewalk 1 underscore dash x4, I'm sorry. Okay, and I'll just duplicate this one and snap it. Then I'll duplicate it again and snap it. One more time. Snap it. One more time. Snap it. One more time. Snap it. And let's see if that's correct. Okay, so that's my lane with the sidewalks. So now let's go to the beginning. Okay, and I'll add some buildings surrounding this. So let's add style building 1, for example. So this is the building. Let's see, it has some doors around here, so we can use that part. Let's move it a little bit and then we'll snap it. We'll snap this to there. Let's just zoom in a little bit. And we see that it's correctly snapped. Okay. You can then add some more stuff like sidewalk, sidewalk large A, right? So things like this. Large B, it changes a little bit on design. So this one may work, let's see. Okay, we could add something like that, right? And we could continue adding more stuff like that. Duplicate it, right? Duplicate it a little bit. Okay. Then we could add another building. So building 2, or let's go to style C and let's add the style C building 4. Okay, let's see, we have some door here. It doesn't have doors around there, and it doesn't have doors there. So we could do something like pretty much whatever we want. We can put it somewhere around it. Here maybe, and the entrance will be here. This will be just a like some windows. We could rotate it minus 90, and then snap this part, this bottom part. This here, and you see that we have the other building. Then here you see that we have things such as bridges. We have also stairs. We have bridge ramp, right, for the roads. We have some walls. So let's see, for example, there I want to have some wall somewhere around there. I can just go to wall, simple, that's my wall. And let's say I don't want anyone to pass somewhere around there, so I'll create some more walls there. And then I can surround, I can add more pieces of sidewalk there. This one does not be there. Okay. I could add some more buildings, right? So I pretty much could do whatever I want there. Let's see, I don't want anyone moving through that section either. Okay. Could do this. Could do that. Okay. I'll add these two. I'll snap them. I'll add these two. And I'll snap them. And that piece is actually completed. So we now have introduction to the package and some small buildings or some small section for our city. My next video I will continue teaching how to create a bigger city and add some traffic lights, sign elements, and automatization for the traffic. So if you want to download the package, you have the link in the description. Thank you very much and have a good day.